Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to create a Google Ads Manager account to manage client accounts. Let's get started. A Google Ads Manager account allows you to access and manage multiple Google Ads accounts, including your clients, all from a single login. You will be able to link existing ad accounts and send access requests and easily switch between accounts. Go to Google and search for Google Ads Manager account. You should see a Start Now button. Click it to begin setting up your new manager account. You will now be asked to fill in your account details. Confirm you're not a robot, then hit Submit. Now, your Google Ads Manager account is created. Now, let's say you want to link a client's ad account on your own existing account. From your manager account dashboard, copy your Google Ads ID account. After that, click this section, then choose all SPPC accounts. After that, click Accounts page and click on the plus sign and choose Link Existing Account. Here, enter the Google Ads account ID you want to link. It looks like a phone number, then click Send Request. Then your client will receive a notification, so let's check it here. No notification. You can also check on all the accounts section if there is already linked account. Then you can also check if you receive an email with a link to approve the request. Once they accept, the Google Ads account will appear in your manager account dashboard. After that, you need to ask your client for their Google Ads ID number. Then, go to All Accounts section, choose All SPPC accounts, click Accounts page, then click on the plus sign. Then, choose Link Existing Account. After that, paste the Google Ads account of the client and click the Send Request. Then go back to your manager account, click this section, and you will see the connected Google Ads account already. Click it, and you will be taken to this page to complete your advertiser verification. This way, you can handle setup and management from the start, but note that your client will still need to complete advertiser verification and billing setup. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.